Friends, so the first thing I'm going to put in the jerk pork, some sea salt. It's first thing. All right. I'm gonna add my black pepper. Okay. We're in phase 1, part 1 of this cooking journey. Phase 1, part 1 of this cooking journey. Jerk pork, yes. Modified Jamaican style jerk pork by the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. Now some garlic powder. Yes, garlic powder. And onion powder. Okay, I'm gonna put some fresh thyme leaves in it. Yes, just some, not all of it right now. Just some of it to get the flavor into the meat while the meat is marinating. Yes, on the stove. Yes, yes. Put that in. All right. Some A1 sauce now, and then later on I'll add the rest. Alright, so that's my A1 sauce. And I'm gonna add some ketchup in it now too. Yeah, as I said, I'm doing it a little bit different. Yes. As I was saying, there's more than one way to skin a cat. So I'll be skinning the pork right now. Alright.
Ready? So now I'm gonna go to the stove, alright? You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Flame on, alright. That's part number 1 going. This is the olive oil. A lot of oil, so. Alright, so now this is olive oil.
scallion. I already put some garlic into the vessel. Add some scallion. So this here, that's for the seasoned rice. That's for the rice and peas. Alright my friends, I'm adding the red beans. Adding the red beans. That's red kidney beans. Red kidney beans. Yes, red kidney beans with Indian rice. I'm not going to use a lot of peas because these peas are very big. Yes. Alright, I'm going to put some ketchup and some A1 sauce. Yes. A1 sauce. Alright, I'm also going to put some ketchup inside of the Indian rice and peas. Yes. For the color contrast. Yes. You're watching the Winston cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is the cooking vessel for the Indian rice and peas with kidney beans, red kidney beans and Indian rice. Yes, seasoned down with onion, scallion, onions, garlic. Yes, fresh garlic. And very shortly we'll be adding some other ingredients. Alright. Put in some cooking stock, low sodium chicken cooking stock, alright? Low sodium chicken stock. Alright, I'm going to put some garlic powder. This is the Indian rice and peas pot, so garlic powder in there. Onion powder in there. Sliced onion strips in there. Put some thyme. Yes, some thyme flavor in it. And some rosemary and sage in it. This is the other one. necessary seasoning is inside the pot. So now I'm about to add the rice. Yes, this is the Indian rice. Special. All the way from India. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking on Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So, I'm just Jamaican style rice and beans. Yes, red kidney beans with Indian rice. Yes. All seasoned up. Now, add some butter. Butter in there. Just half a stick of butter. Alright. Now I'm going to turn the fire down low and allow her to slowly cook. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking on Discovery TV, and this is a jerk pork. Jamaican style jerk pork, and you'll see this on the Winston Joe Cooking on Discovery TV. So this is phase 1, part 1 of the cooking journey.